5 years ago, I was broke, living paycheck to paycheck in a cramped apartment in Ohio, watching YouTube videos at 2 a.m. about getting rich. Today, I make more money in my sleep than I used to in a month. Not because I won the lottery, but because I learned how to invest. It all started with one number, $127. That was all I had in my account after paying rent. I needed to change something. I typed into Google, how to grow money legally. That's when I stumbled across the word investing. Stocks, ETFs, compounding. It was like reading a new language. With zero knowledge, I downloaded Robinhood, bought some flashy stocks I saw trending online, and within 2 weeks, I lost $90. I was devastated. But I realized I wasn't investing, I was gambling. That was my wake-up call. I paused, picked up books, watched videos, I educated myself. I learned about index funds, ETFs, dollar cost averaging. I discovered that boring investments made more millionaires than flashy crypto coins. Slowly, I built a plan. Every month, I started investing just $50. I opened a Roth IRA. I chose VOO and VTI ETFs, low cost, high return over the long term. I didn't chase trends. I chased time. I let compound interest do the work. After 2 years of consistent investing and saving, I had $15,000. I bought my first rental property in a small Ohio town. Not fancy, but it brought me $700 per month in passive income. That was the moment everything changed. I wasn't just investing anymore, I was building wealth. Even with all my progress, I made mistakes. I once invested $5,000 in a startup without doing due diligence. I lost it all. But that taught me, never invest in anything you don't fully understand. Never invest emotionally. If you're just starting out, here's what I tell you. Start small, but start now. Focus on long-term gains. Educate yourself constantly. Automate your investments. Don't follow hype, follow strategy. From $127 to financial freedom, it's not a fairy tale. It's the result of consistent, smart decisions. If I can do it with zero experience, so can you. Subscribe for more real stories, real strategies, and a real path to wealth. Your future self will thank you.